Hey guys, this is Henry from OBEDIA again. Today we're back with our Pro Tools tutorial videos, and we're going to be learning one of the last features included in your counter, window or counter menu from your edit window in Pro Tools. And that is the default velocity and default note duration in Pro Tools. Okay, so you'd be asking yourself, well, what do you mean when you say default note velocity and note duration? Because, realistically, if you just double click on the MIDI clip and you open the MIDI editor, you can just click on your pencil tool here and just click and drag, and you can make it as long or as short as you want, right? Now, and at the same time, if you click and drag and you create the note, you can also change that velocity there, right, with those velocity bars, right? Now, what if you don't want to open the MIDI editor? Okay, what if you want to actually make the MIDI notes right here in your edit window? Well, guess what? You can actually do that. That's totally doable. And the way it works is that, first of all, you would have to tell Pro Tools, well, what's the default note value for that? In this case, we have 8th note selected. And what would be the default velocity? Right now it's set to 80. You can switch it by simply clicking on it, typing something different, and then enter. Okay, so how do we do that? Well, very simple. Once we've set the default note duration and velocity, we can now click on our pencil tool. And if we literally just click on that clip, check what happens. As soon as we click, the track view changed from clips to notes. And now I can see that piano roll. It's kind of small, but it's there, right? There's your piano roll. I can simply now click, and I'll be creating with my mouse, in this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 8th notes that are 90. They have a velocity of 90, okay? So that's an easy way to write music from your edit window without having to open the MIDI editor. Now, if we go back to clips and click on our Smart tool and we just double click on the actual clip, we can still open the MIDI editor and we'll see here are our 5 notes. And if we click on them, sorry, let me open this. If we actually click on them, we can see they all have the same velocity, which in this case was 90, just around here, okay? So, it's up to you whether you write your MIDI from the actual MIDI editor or you write it using your pencil and your default note duration and velocity and just write the MIDI directly on the notes view from your edit window. So, that's it. That's your default note duration and velocity in Pro Tools. If you have any other questions, please call us from OBEDIA and PC Audio Labs, and we're going to be happy to help you. We will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.
Want to learn how to produce music using this, or using that, or using all of these? Have you been watching videos, reading manuals, blogs, and trying to figure out everything that it takes to be a music producer? Do you have a bunch of music gear that you purchased and you still haven't made any music? Well, then you need OBEDIA, the world's only one-on-one digital audio training and tech support service. Check out the link below for a special new subscriber offer.